Utilities such as water, electricity and gas are a major cost in any residential or non-residential building. At the same time, there is a need to deal with these commodities more sparingly. Today, for buildings of a certain size, the correct measurements and the mandatory metering of consumption of all utilities are considered. In case of a shared cost settlement, these individual meters are even obligatory. The measurements are not just limited to water, gas and electricity. Central heating and air conditioning are also accurately recorded. The consumption meters are spread over the entire building and send their data via the open M-Bus protocol. This consumption data is collected centrally, organized and ultimately incorporated in reports. The Cadis Consumption Reporter maps out consumption in a highly user-friendly and cost-effective way. This centralized consumption module is suitable for any type of meter. The size of building does not play a role, nor the number of meters to be read. The readout of consumption meters may also be done remotely. With the system initialization, the Cadis Consumption Reporter automatically scans all connected meters. Consumption meters are identified by the data communications using a complex ID. This ID provides no information about what or where you are measuring. The Cadis Consumption Reporter translates this complex ID into a relevant name that refers to a physical location, a part of a building. The result is a comprehensive list of all consumption meters within the building. For instance, Apartment 8 electricity meter. This list of matching names is also included in the report. It is always possible to manually add consumption meters afterwards. One Cadis Consumption Reporter is able to record 500 consumption meters. The clear naming of the consumption meters allows a service technician to quickly locate and resolve a defect. The Cadis Consumption Reporter has a built-in web server and is thus accessible for every PC under protected protocol, inside or outside the building. The Cadis Consumption Reporter is equipped with proprietary software as standard. The built-in software makes expensive licenses for specialized software or services unnecessary. Automatically generated reports form the basis of an automatic cost settlement. The automatic alarm is one of the most important additional benefits of the Cadis Consumption Reporter. Users are notified in the event of system errors, such as the failure or sabotage of a meter. The system also alerts in the event of consumption limits being exceeded, or in the case of a rupture or leak in the water pipes. Measurement is also the key to knowledge here. Thanks to the Cadis Consumption Reporter, abnormal consumption in individual parts of a building is immediately reported, and unnecessary costs owing to wastage and even water damage may be avoided. Smaller buildings do not usually have a central building management system. The Cadis Consumption Reporter is the ideal solution here. It fulfills all the necessary functions. Consulting consumption reports of individual building parts may be done on the module itself at any time. Even if there is no fixed internet connection available, the export of necessary data may be done on the spot using a USB stick, but may also be done wirelessly via the GSM network. Automatic periodic reporting by mail enables control and settlement of, for instance, gas, water and electricity to be much simpler and avoids discussions. The system is user-friendly, allowing you to save a lot of time and reduce costs. Large buildings usually have a building management system. Therefore, it's usual for all consumption meters to be read in directly into the system. This, however, requires customized hardware like input cards. Together with the necessary and comprehensive programming, they represent a significant cost. Also, any subsequent changes to the configuration or an extension have to be paid for and may only be done by specialists. The Cadis Consumption Reporter prevents these hardware and software costs by reading the meters automatically without additional hardware. retrospective extensions are also no problem. All consumption data in Modbus registers is also saved in the module. A building management system is able to read this data directly. This makes linking the Cadis consumption reporter to a building management system a virtual plug-and-play process. This way of working simplifies installation and is highly cost-efficient. The consumption data is put onto a central server by the Cadis consumption reporter for managing multiple buildings. Here too, maximum compatibility with existing specialized management packages is ensured. Whether you are responsible for the management of a small building, a large infrastructure, or several buildings, the Cadis consumption reporter is the most efficient and user-friendly solution, and it saves costs. The installation cost is low, irrespective of the size or type of the building. The entire system configuration is quick and easy. Smart and clear reporting saves you time and costs. Alarms prevent damage and hidden losses. Your system is also managed more intelligently using a Cadis consumption reporter. Ask for more information today.